Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallow without jelly powder full guide. Use gelatin, sugar, water, corn syrup, and vanilla. Bloom gelatin, dissolve sugar, whip to soft peaks, then set in a pan. I will walk you through timing, temperature tips, and common mistakes so you get pillowy marshmallows every time. This friendly guide keeps things simple and practical for home cooks of any skill level. Start by prepping ingredients and tools so the process flows smoothly and you avoid timing issues. Bloom gelatin in cold water while you heat the sugar and corn syrup to the correct stage. Combine gelatin with hot syrup carefully, then transfer to your mixer for whipping. I explain how long to whip, what texture to watch for, and how to flavor or color safely for consistent, delicious marshmallows. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful cooking videos. Quick recommendation: I used a set of leak-proof containers for storing finished marshmallows. They made transport and gifting much easier and kept treats fresh longer. Look in the description for the link and other deals if you want them. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Follow a clear sequence to avoid sticky failures. Bloom gelatin, heat syrup to target temperature, combine and whip to volume, then pour into a lined pan to set. I describe mixing speeds, approximate whipping times, and tactile cues to know when the marshmallow is ready. Learn quick fixes for grainy texture and how to store finished pieces so they stay fresh and soft for gifts or snacking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.